Global Markets Roundup. Weekly updates on global gold market, global stock market, global currency market and global economic update. Myself Sajid Kumar. Global gold market update. Last Friday, international gold price declined to 3 weeks lower and closed at US dollar 1,900 per ounce level. Better than expected US retail sales data released on Friday and more hope on US stimulus before election were supportive for US dollar and negative for gold last week. This week, gold price will fluctuate highly against US dollar. The announcement of US stimulus package that is most crucial for gold this week. If there is no announcement of stimulus deal from the US government before election, that will be negative for gold and gold price may come down on a short term basis and US dollar will come in that place as a safe haven for investment for investors. However, considering this slowness in the global economic growth will support gold for a long term bullish and the current gold weakness can be considered for a long term systematic investments for investors. Dubai. The city of gold marked lower price in the last week and quoted 230 dirhams per gram for 24 karat gold. Newly launched US gold digital stable currency quoted $2,540 per ounce. Gold futures trading and gold exchange traded fund were also marked little lower last week. US election countdown and related news will make gold highly fluctuating in this week. Kindly watch closely on US stimulus package announcement chances for this week. Gold market is currently in short-term bearish trend and long-term bullish trend. Global stock market update. Last week, Indian stock market had shown a negative trend based on the report from IMF World Bank annual meeting 2020 that COVID-19 pandemic has resulted in the largest global economic contraction of the last 8 decades and next year also will be very much tough for economic growth. Other factors like US stimulus of fading, US-China trade issues based on the starting blacklisting Chinese companies by US and preventing investment from US investors to Chinese companies that had created a negative trend last week. Last Friday, census closed at 39,982 level, Nifty closed at 11,762 level. Last Friday, US markets were also closed higher with the news that the US will announce further stimulus package before the election, that is before November 3rd. Dow Jones closed at 28,606 level, Nasdaq closed at 11,671 level. European stock markets were also closed to Friday on higher levels. FTSE closed at 19,389 level, DAX closed at 12,908 level. The Gulf stock market started this week trading with a mixed trend. Dubai financial market started this week trading by launching equity derivatives market trading platform. Dubai financial market started this week trading and closed at 13 points down. Abu Dhabi stock market 7 points down. Kuwait stock market 62 points down. Bahrain exchange 0.91 points down. Oman Muscat securities closed 8 points up. Saudi stock exchange 7 points up and Qatar exchange closed today's trading 10 points up. So this week US stimulus packages news and US election updates will influence more into Indian stock markets. Global currency market update. Last week, Indian rupee has closed a little lower at 73.45 level against US dollar. Weakening global economies due to COVID-19, higher retail inflation and contracted industrial output were the key factors for weakening INR last week. Last week, UAE dirham closed at 20 level, 1 Saudi riyal 19.57, Qatari riyal 20.03, Omani riyal 190.75, Bahraini dinar 194.65, Kuwaiti dinar 239.91, Euro 86.04, British pound 94.89, Canadian dollar 55.66, Australian dollar 51.98. This week, US dollar fluctuation on the US stimulus package and election news that is very much crucial for Indian rupee for this week. The global economy update. World Bank IMF annual meeting 2020 held virtually last week and reported that the pandemic has resulted in the largest global economic contraction of the last 8 decades. It is impacting developing, emerging and developed economies, increasing the global poverty rate and damaging long-term economic growth prospects globally. The meeting was also indicating a toughest time for next year's growth globally. US stock market went lower on Friday based on the report that the jobless claims are increasing in US. British senior minister said on Sunday that the door remains open for talks on a post-Brexit trade deal if the European Union changed their approach. US Fed official called for a toughest regulation to prevent asset bubbles in the market. This will create more control on markets in coming weeks. The net foreign reserve of the Central Bank of UAE increased by 1.1% on month-on-month basis to 353.15 billion dirhams in August 2020. That is comparing to 349.25 billion dirhams in July. India's economy is showing sign of improvement, braving the impact of the COVID-19. So reported by Indian Associated Chamber of Commerce and Industry. India will become the world's third largest economy by 2050, says medical journal Lancet study.